So we're at my dad's house, and look at how cute he decorated the apartment for Christmas. I think this is like the first time he decorates this big for Christmas, so I really appreciate it. The Christmas tree is a snowman. So cute. And then this is the porch. He put this up on the porch. I'll probably film there later, like for New Year's. And then look at the Cuban flag. I love this Cuban flag. And then look at this. I love this tapestry. I really want one like it. He said he got it off of Amazon. I really want one. But we're gonna take some shots, and I'm gonna give him the 2 little gifts that I got him for Christmas. Kind of for Christmas, kind of like a souvenir from Vegas. So.
Claro. Espérate. Déjame ver los regalos, ¿no? Porque...
Pero él no ve, ahí él no ve.
Yo creo que sí.
Hay que mirar la cámara.
Uy, qué lindo, ¿qué dice ahí? Las Vegas.
Y es un double shot.
Mira, eso es para emborracharme, un vasito que dice Las Vegas.
Te tengo otro.
Mira,
Así.
expresa Las Vegas para beber mi ron.
Te conseguí esto para...
Oh.
Dice que más de vez en cuando tú tomas cerveza.
Sí, ahí hay cerveza, ¿verdad? Y un abridor. A lo mismo, Emily sabe que uno está ligado al alcohol. Más cosas.
Ya,
Oh, y mira, para mi tabaco, cuando yo me siento afuera a fumar mi tabaquito. Bien bonito. Todo en Las Vegas. Ahora mira el día.
My dad got me a present. Yo lo abro si quieres. Ay, qué linda. Mira qué linda. Qué padre. Mira la carterita.
Merry Christmas y Happy New Year. Una vez, Emily, cuando antes que...
Salud. Cheers. Voy a coger el tío. Tío, te estoy cogiendo para las redes. Dir algo.
Ah, sí, oye, estoy ahí con mi sobrina, la más linda del mundo.
Ah.
Que no quiero que la gente pilla. Eso es lo mejor que hay en el mundo. Olvídese eso, caballero. Esa muchachita sabrosa, de la más linda que hay en el mundo. Saludos para su mamá también. Saludos también para su mamá, que pasen un fin de año, bien, lo más lindo que puedan. Y ahí estamos, seguimos en contacto.
That's my uncle. He's in Cuba right now, and we were just on video talking to him. We did a cheers with my dad. But I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna eat. I just, oh my gosh, let me tell you how horrible that flight was.
No, la garganta. Y ya esto es mejor.
That flight was so horrid. It wasn't, okay, I'm here, I'm thankful. I just love this background. This is like perfect. Perfect background. I'm here, I'm thankful that I'm alive and I made it. But I'm just saying, like, I've never been in a flight that had so many delays and had to fix the airplane so many times. When I left from Detroit, or from Las Vegas to go to Detroit, there was something that needed to be fixed on that plane, like something small, like a light or the little pocket that brings down the mask. When I got to the airport, we were stuck in the plane for like an hour and 30 minutes because the tire was frozen. Leaving, there was another issue, just another delay that they had to fix. Then I had a layover in Atlanta, and that had a delay. And then I'm just like, this is so weird. Out of all my flights, this is the first time I've had any delays or any issues with the planes that I've been on. But I look a hot mess, so I think I'll be done for today recording because it's honestly later at night anyways. It's like 6, but I need a shower, I need to eat, and I'm gonna just probably chill, and I'll probably pick it up tomorrow, maybe tonight, who knows. One thing I miss and love when I come see my dad is his stories. His stories are so funny from like when he was young. He just has a way of telling stories that are hilarious. This is me and my dad, my grandma, my uncle, my cousin, my great-grandma. This is my aunts here. Me as a baby, me and my dad. And then these are just a whole bunch of family members. My dad in one of his lives, in a different life, was a samurai. So he has this here. Papi, ¿para qué tú tienes esto?
¿Es qué?
Esto aquí. Esto es un cuchillo de samurái, ¿no?
Claro. Mira.
Yeah. ¿Tú practicas?
Y esto no, ya no. Those are my only 2 levels of Muay Thai.
Oh, my dad used to do Muay Thai. I forgot. So these are his 2 levels. That's cool.
I'm at the base. I was in the base, very base level. I also have a brown belt on judo. It's a green belt, almost brown.
Let me not lie. Dad put me in karate when I was young, but I was not having it. I want to do ballet and stuff because I kept getting beat up in school. Well, not beat up, but bullied. I don't think I ever got really beat up like in that when I was young. Good morning, guys. So today I'm eating a arepa. That is a Colombian breakfast, my dad says. So they have this breading kind of wrap, and then morcilla, and then eggs, and you basically either take a bite of the arepa by itself or you can build it up. This sausage is called morcilla, so it's not burnt, it's just that black. It's not to be gross, but it's made with blood. And this is the Colombian version. The Colombian version is made with rice. Normally I've had the Puerto Rican version that's just pork and it's spicy. So. Guys, look how nice it is. Oh my god, it's 70. Ay, Dios mío. Okay. It is 70 out here. I'm on my dad's porch and I'm drinking some coffee, enjoying the nice. Look at how nice. I think we're gonna go to the beach today to walk around the beach and stuff because it's so nice out. What a vibe. What a vibe. Is Florida the next place I should move to? I feel like it. Florida or California? I miss my sisters so much and my mom. I don't know if I'll move back to Michigan. Like, probably not. Probably not. So I'm wearing something light for the beach. Obviously, I'm going to take my handy dandy famous headscarf off. But here in Jacksonville, it's like the first northern state of Florida, so it's not as warm as Miami and stuff. Obviously, I don't think I'll actually need this, but I thought it looked cute, and the beach is windy because of the wind. And I'm just wearing a little basic bodysuit. I don't feel like hooking the phone up right now to the tripod, but I'm wearing just my little bodysuit and some sandals that I'll probably have to take off when I walk in the sand because I have no, see, look in the mirror, I have no sandals. But yeah, something basic because it's just a little beach walk. We're gonna have some drinks at the bar. My dad's probably gonna real quick show me to 5,000 of his neighbors. So let me turn off the camera. There we go. I don't know why I didn't think of just showing you guys on the mirror first, but I don't know where the little purse my dad gave me. Jackson Beach, guys, so nice. You can smell the salt water. Woo, I love it. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, I thought those were real people. This is so cute. They did this for Christmas. Deck of chairs. I thought these were real people. Because people are always riding bikes. It's definitely a beach area. Every time I go somewhere where there's like a beach, I have to come to the beach. Like when I go to California, I have to go to the beach, and I just feel like I have to say hi to Mother Nature, Yemaya. Well, say hi, touch the beach, touch the salt water. Actually a lot of people here, which is surprising because it's actually kind of chilly. Ay, Yemaya. Oh shit! Ay, qué frío. The water's so cold, oh my god. She has so many sweets here. So she has a sign here that says to not do videos and stuff, but my dad asked her if I can do videos so I can show it to you guys because she makes things so beautiful. And she allowed me, and she told me why, because apparently someone took a picture of her cafeteria and her stuff and then posted it online that it was closed. Probably like some dirty competition hating on her and stuff. The pastelitos cubano that I love, that have basically cream cheese and guayaba. And these ones are just with guava. Guayaba is guava, so it's guava and cream cheese. Oh my god, I love those pasteles. They also make a coconut one. But I love those with guava y queso. And when I used to live in Michigan, I used to die to come here to Florida to get un pastelito de guayaba y queso. But now that I live in Las Vegas, there's like 3 Cuban restaurants and they have them all the time. As I was saying, now that I live in Vegas, I have a lot of those restaurants, so I can go at any time. And now that I have it accessible to me, I do not even go. Guys, I barely go out. I'm always working or in school, so I barely go out. But I need to start. And it's also a restaurant, so I wish there was like a drive-through where you can just go, not get out of your car and just get a bag of pastelitos, because I hate having to go in somewhere when I'm just on the go. Hey guys, so it's now later on at night and we are going to St. Augustine, Florida, which is, I love St. Augustine. I think I went there twice, but I never had came during the nighttime. But it's the contrario. It's so packed, guys. We're trying to find a parking spot, but the other 2 times that I came to St. Augustine, it's been daytime. So we're going during the night, because around this time, papi, esto de las luces nomás que lo hacen en este tiempo son. Okay, so during this time they light it up with a whole bunch of lights, and it's so beautiful. And they have horses. Well, they've always had horses, but St. Augustine is like the medieval times. So like there's a torture museum, and like there's a port where they throw cannons and stuff. It's really cool. Finally found a parking lot. It is so packed. We're here and there's people still looking for a parking. And this is what I have on. Something light. I love these boots. I wear them everywhere, and I'm trying to wear them more so that they stretch. But so those trains walk you around the St. Augustine. It's dark, it's nighttime, so you can't really see me, but guys, look at the horses. If you weren't in the spirit then, you can definitely get in the spirit now. Is the torture museum. Yep, that's what I thought. This is a torture museum. ¿Quién está cantando eso?
Muchas gracias. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
¿Qué es lo que hacemos? Entramos a la barra.
Oh my god! Ole! Oh my god! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Hello, hello.
guys, look at the pork, right? It's all seasoned, and we're gonna put it in here to get nice and cooked. My dad got the Bacardi ready.
Wine?
And wine.
No, don't tie.
Oh, we got wine. We got the uvas, the grapes.
And beer.
And some beer. Get the party started. Guys, my dad made chicharrones.
Oh, pero eso no es chicharrón.
No.
Eso es rib.
I know I said I'm a vegan, but I'm a fake vegan. And when I'm on vacation or during the holidays, I'm not a vegan. So, this meat, you fry it in a lot of oil. Super unhealthy and yummy. Made the salad. Looks pretty. So guys, we made here some yuca. Yuca, and then we put some like pork ribs in it. Yuca is like a root. I don't know a root from what, but it's some type of root. It's delicious with mojitos, so like lemon, garlic. Con gris, which is like black beans and rice, but you cook the rice in the black bean water so it can be brown like that with the beans after you cook the beans down a little bit. And then we got the pork. It looks burnt, but trust me, it's not. Like, I cut a piece off, and that's how the inside looks. Dad's girlfriend did it a little differently with sauce on top of it. Normally, we just put, like, salt and something else on the pork. But she put, like, a lot more seasoning than we normally do, and the season got a little crispy. But that's okay. It still tastes great. So, I was going to wear this cute little New Year's dress that I bought from Fashion Nova. With the slit, super cute. I feel like it's very New Year's Eve, but since it is chilly outside and we're not hanging out inside like I thought we were, because yes, it's Florida, but it's Jacksonville and it's actually pretty chilly, and we're actually hanging out outside and we're not inside like I thought we would be at people's house and it'd be a whole party, but it's more like a backyard party, or not even a party this year, but like more like a backyard get together. The neighborhood is partying though, a rap kind of thing. Woo. I've already been eating, so I didn't record my first bite. But guys, yes. I've been eating all day though, because my dad's friends had like shrimp on the barbecue with sausage, and then they had like ribs on the barbecue, and I've been just snacking, and that's not even a snack. Guys, I changed. I had to put my little bodysuit on, a brown one, and a jacket because it is actually pretty chilly. I mean, obviously it's not Michigan chilly where I was for my first holiday part 1 vlog that you guys would have seen by now when I post this. But it's the tropics, so this kind of cold is like humid and it really gets into your pores and it gets you sick, and I kind of feel it or hear it in my voice.
Tírame un hueso para sentirme perro.
Original. El americano dice con yo, güey. What the? Oh! Oh my God! Mira para acá. ¡Entra! Le cogió en el ojo. Esta gente es tan animal.
ella.
No, en el momento
Quería-
me mato. Yo estaba en
Si tú eres de verdad, ahí mismo tenía que tirarte
estás
en la
loco.
hierba. ¡Mira lo que está pasando aquí!
No, literally these crazy ass neighbors. They set a box on fire and I almost fucking died. The box turned over. Look at how smoky this shit is. The box turned over. The box turned over and it started shooting everywhere. Like, okay, so I'm literally, my adrenaline is still pumping. Oh my God, my eye kind of hurts. I would have had one fucking eye. I'm so upset right now. I'm in the bathroom trying to catch a hot second. And they're still doing fireworks. Y'all need to fucking stop. Y'all almost killed people. Are y'all dumb? It's okay. It's fine. You know those little boxes the boxes of fireworks? They lit one and somehow the box tilted over. I'm sure that the box tilting over is not their fault, but like still hella irresponsible. The little fireworks started shooting everywhere. Every direction. Instead of up, they were shooting towards the fucking house, towards the building. Mind you, this can catch a house on fire. One of the fireworks went here. One of the fireworks went here. If I would have lost an eye that night, I'm cussing everybody out. Are you kidding? That's my eye. Are y'all done? Bro. So I left the noise to explain you guys about the 12 grapes at 12. I think it's to like bring good luck. It's a Spanish tradition that you eat 12 grapes at the strike of 12 for the new year, to break the new year. And I think like it's like for good luck or whatever. I don't know. I just do it. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year!
Era cultural. Y la gente, con 3 muertos, mataron a Guirindingo, mataron a él y era bien, ya. Eso quería decir que estaba bueno.
What the heck? So it's the next day. It's New Year's Eve in the morning, and my dad's showing me the congas in Cuba, which is like Caribbean parades. And he said that like each neighborhood would have their own parade, and when it came to like intersections on the same day, all those people in the green are police officers. They would stay there to make sure to intersections they didn't like the two different parades didn't cross each other, because people would take that opportunity to fight each other. Like, who has the time with that such great vibe and music? I love my dad's stories, guys. Such a vibe. Reminds me of the Caribbean festival. Moño. ¿Cómo?
¿No te cansa? Con su guarané. Exacto.